Hyderabad, where Switch Ideas NTAT exam is being conducted. Let's go find out from students what's their take on internships and this exam.
It's very helpful. They get experience out of which it helps them further to build up their skills for doing the jobs and all. Like that they help in a way.
It gives a broad experience for us. It's not only learning, it's the main aspect of we becoming an engineer is when we do practical work. So you get more experience out of it.
They actually give us experience before going into industry. They give us an experience of how the company runs and all the things. So the student actually gets used to it, the things out over there. And NTAT is a good platform because these ranks are much valued nowadays in all over India.
Well, they give a industry experience. So it's like encouraging young students to get into industry and get into those kind of jobs.
It helps us to know the professional ethics, how people work in the companies like that. So it would help us in our future employment sort of.
It helps you when you go abroad for an MBA for your higher education. The fact that you have experience helps you a lot. Yeah, we know the pattern. It's like it's for 100 marks and there are 4 sections of 25 marks each.
It's based on quantitative, quant and logic reasoning. So I don't think we need preparation for that.
Yeah, this is the first year I've just come to know across this recently. So I was not aware of this at all because my daughter only explained everything to me. Because through her college it has come to be known that this will be very helpful for them for the job recruitments and for job search and everything.
Exams and experience number 1. I think part of education lo ఏదైనా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది ప్లస్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే ఎట్లా మెథడ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది దాని గురించి ఏమేమి జరుగుతుంది అట్లా అంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ పరంగా ఏ విధంగా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి.
It wasn't expected, the time constraint.
It was very easy. The questions were really easy, but then it was the time factor which actually mattered.
Our exam was pretty easy. I enjoyed it and I didn't expect because at home they were telling prepare yourself for the exam. I was not fully prepared, but seeing the question paper, it was easy. We can do it pretty well.
Yeah, it was a bit easy and a bit tough. Both like solving 100 questions in 90 minutes, the time wasn't sufficient. Of course, in today's competitive examinations, most of the competitive exams in that way. So it's like how you manage the time between first you need to solve the easy questions, then you need to get on the tough ones.
It was fine except the time was a constraint. 1.5 hours is not enough to actually attempt everything that's on the paper. Otherwise, for an experience, we happened to come just for an experience, so I guess it was worth the experience. Let's see how the outcomes are.